Okay, good day, ladies and gentlemen. You are welcome to Science Planet channel, and today we are looking at salt analysis, that is qualitative analysis, and the salt we are looking at is copper 2 tetraoxosulfate 6, that is CUSO4. And remember, it is our predicted Neco question, which will be coming up tomorrow. Okay, so firstly, we are going to be asked to dissolve sample C. So that copper 2 tetraoxosulfate 6 will be called sample C. Okay, so as a student, you won't be told it is CUSO4, but I'm just telling you. Okay, so question 1, you'll be asked to dissolve sample C in about 5 cm cube of distilled water and shake thoroughly. Divide the solution into 3 portions. Okay, so once you dissolve this sample C and shake thoroughly, what will happen? You will observe that C dissolves to form a blue solution. Okay, so the coloration of the solution will become blue, and in your inference you write C is a soluble salt because C has dissolved. So C is a soluble salt. Actually, no need of writing Cu2 plus is present. It doesn't matter. I think they are just trying to test for the solubility. So C is a soluble salt. Then in your second question, you'll be asked to test the solution with litmus paper. Okay, now you have to test with your blue and red litmus paper. Okay, when you put your red litmus paper, you discover that there's no change, but when you put your blue litmus paper, you discover that it will change to red, and whatever turns blue litmus paper to red is acidic. So your reference, you write the solution is what? Acidic. Now you move over to the third question, where you'll be asked to first in the first portion add NaOH, that is your sodium hydroxide solution, in drops, then in excess. So when you add your sodium hydroxide in drops, you will have a light blue gelatinous PPT will be formed. So a light blue gelatinous precipitate will be formed, and in your inference you will write that Cu2 plus, that's copper ion, is what? Present. Then in excess, the precipitate will be insoluble. Okay, the precipitate will be insoluble. So now you also write that Cu2 plus is present. Okay, then you can be asked to heat the mixture. Okay, when you heat it, the precipitate will turn black. That means copper oxide is formed. Then in the other question, you'll be asked to the second portion, add ammonia solution in drops, then in excess. So when you add an ammonia solution in drops, you will observe that light blue gelatinous precipitate is formed. That is to show that copper 2 is present in the inference. Then you add your ammonia in excess. You discover that light blue gelatinous precipitate dissolves to give a deep blue solution. This confirms copper 2 ion, so it confirms it. Okay, now you also be asked to the third, that's the third portion, add barium chloride solution. So when you add barium chloride solution, you observe that white precipitate is formed. Okay, in your inference you write SO4 2 minus, SO3 2 minus, and CO3 2 minus is present. That is, you are suspecting them. Okay, then when you add dilute HCl in excess to the mixture in 3, that is to the one you added barium chloride, then you observe that the white precipitate is insoluble. This confirms SO4 2 minus. Okay, so SO4 2 minus is always insoluble when you add hydrochloric acid. Thank you, and God bless you. Good luck.